I also want to congratulate you on the fact that for a recent winner, you look very calm and cool and collected and composed. Have the glories sunk in? Have the accolades sunk in?
Well, they have sunk in, but at the same time, I don't think it's going to sink in any deeper than it really has.
इस बार जब तुमने क्राउन जीता, तो there were no fixed shock expression जैसे होते हैं और surprise और हाथ ऐसे. I mean, you know, either you were very, very composed, very confident, or you knew you were going to win.
The Femina Miss India Universe Gold.
That's delicate. I was composed and relaxed because I knew I had done my best. Or aage, it's not in your hands. I gave the best answer I probably could. And then I just waited. And when it did happen, actually, you see, जब आप आखिरी 5 में पहुंच जाते हो, each one of you know that कि हमारा equal chance है. So I guess there's a little bit of expectation there. At the same time, one is composed. I was very composed at that point of time.
On your own, do you feel when you look at yourself in the mirror, you think now this is now Femina Miss India Universe. Now it's not the Gul I knew. It's a different girl now. Do you always see yourself with the crown on your head?
No, not really. In fact, the crown's been lying in a box ever since. But no, I don't really see myself as a Femina Miss India. It's just Gul. I mean, that's how everybody sees me, I think. But I really don't look at myself as a Miss India, honestly speaking.
अच्छा, तुम्हारे दोस्तों का खास तौर पे क्या रिएक्शन? तुम्हारे सबसे जो बेस्ट बडी है, तुम्हारी सबसे क्लोजेस्ट फ्रेंड है, उसका क्या रिएक्शन था?
Oh, she's in Atlanta, and उसने ये पूरा, she saw it on the net, and I called her and she said, तुम जीत गई, तुमने इतना, what did she say? In fact, she said something in Urdu. She's Muslim, and she said, तुमने ये खिताब पाया और मैं तुम्हारी इतनी खुश हूँ. And I said, cut that out. And she was so thrilled because she's been my best friend for like 5 years now, and she was absolutely thrilled.
अच्छा, खिताब से मुझे ये फिर से मुझे मालूम है you're going to chuckle again, but मुझे ये किताब याद आई.
Oh yes.
ये इसका इस्तेमाल हुआ था कहीं?
नहीं.
इस किस्म,
अगर मुझे पता होता कि ऐसी किताब थी तो मैं इसे रट के जाती.